Hello, dear students. In this session, let us understand about the basic fundamentals regarding operations management. Right. So the contents that which we are going to discuss now is about what is this operations management and about operation strategy. And next important thing is tools and techniques in this OM, operations management. So first, operations management. See, operations, we can say this as production, manufacturing, right? So the basic duty that, people involved in this operations field, they'll just do overseeing, designing, and controlling the entire production process, right? So it's their part to ensure that the goods or else the services where it actually meet the customer demands and how it is what satisfying them. So that is the main role for all the people involved in this operations area. Okay, so role in business success, yes, of course, effective operations, that how how productively, how efficiently and effectively that delivering the goods and services to the consumer. Okay, and that actually that is the place where business gets success, right? So as it directly influences productivity, yes, of course, productivity, efficiency, quality, all these things are involved in the, in an efficient operations management. Okay. So key functions, yes. First one is production planning. Next is quality management. Production planning is the first thing. So it is the process of simply organizing the resources. See, organizing resources, it is not an easiest task. Resources in the sense, labor is a resource, materials is a resource, even capital is a resource, land, building, everything. Okay. So just to organize, it's the toughest part. And next is what? Scheduling. Scheduling in the sense, production activities. So what work at what time to do. So we should make sure everything. Okay. So people involved in the field of production, so they should do that, scheduling, processing, and organizing all these things. It is a most important thing for them. Okay. So next is quality management, like yes, producing the goods with high standards. There are many ranges like ISO, quality circles like ISO 9001. So many things are there. So how you are just delivering your goods or else even services with highest quality, that is maximum quality, to satisfy the needs of the customer. Thereby it literally boosts your customer trust and loyalty, of course. And next is operation strategy. So strategies, see, aligning operations with the business goals, that is one strategy. Okay. So, this alignment is very important, like your business goal. To achieve that business goal, of course, operations is the very important thing. It is the place where actual manufacturing process is what happening, and it is the place, where raw materials is what converting into finished goods. Okay. So that alignment is very, very important. Okay. So just to achieve the overall vision, mission, objectives, whatever of the organization, that is your business goal, right? So for that, operations, both the things should be aligned. Next strategy, competitive advantage through operations. Competitive advantage. Of course, in business, this is a common factor, most popular factor, competitive advantage. So how efficiently you are producing your goods comparatively when you're comparing with your competitors, right? If your competitor is producing, so and so quality, and how far and how superiorly that you are producing your goods compared to them. Okay. And this is there are certain things like better quality, lower cost, and a superior service. See here, better quality compared to your competitors, lower cost, that is also important. And next is superior service, right? So next is types of production processes and process improvement techniques. See, what is this? Production processes that you can done on different types like batch production, continuous production, project based production. So it depends upon the organizational size, okay, and based on their needs and wants, it depends what kind of production that they are going to follow. And process improvement techniques is another thing, that how you are going to deliver your products with highest quality. There are several techniques. One among them is, Six Sigma, and we can also say lean methodologies. Okay. So all these techniques are, very important concepts in operations management. Okay. Producing with highest quality. So what are all the methodologies that we can follow with zero defects? That is what mentioned here, right? Reducing waste, enhancing efficiencies with zero defects, and that literally brings better performance and quality. So tools and techniques, the last thing. So principles of lean, that is what lean methodology. So this focuses on maximizing customer value by minimizing waste. So all the wastages should be minimized. Literally, that boosts your customer value. That is the basic principle of this lean concept. Okay. And one important terminology, that is continuous improvement. Continuous improvement, employee involvement. So all these things will be happen again with the help of employees. Who will do all these things? Who are involved in this field of manufacturing? Again, people, employees, labor. Okay, machinery is also involved, but who will operate? Okay, so employee involvement and efficient processes, that is the basic principles of lean. And coming to here, benefits of lean practices, that is, implementing lean practices, literally it leads to reduce operational cost and improved quality. Okay, and all these things, it literally increases your customer satisfaction. So these are all the benefits of, lean. And next is what, like, regarding supply chain. Yes, supply chain, again, we know there are several people involved in the field of supply chain: suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and then even customers. So, flow of goods is what happening from all these people, from suppliers till, customers. So challenges, again, here demand fluctuation is a major challenge. Inventory management issues, how to handle the inventories, suppliers reliability, how reliable are they? Okay, and even there are so many complexities, including the main thing involved is transportation, warehousing. That is a logistics part. Okay, so these are all the different supply chain related concepts. This is all about the basic introduction of operations management. Thank you.